welcome back. So today's Dollar Tree haul is pretty exciting. My Dollar Tree that I went to had quite a bit of Halloween stuff, so I was pretty excited. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I got. So the first couple things probably, they're not really Halloween related necessarily, but I noticed the DVDs as I was walking out when I was at the cash register right before I paid. So, of course, I had to jump out of line and go look at those. But I did find this one, and it's the Silence of the Lambs. It's the collector's edition. So, I could not believe that they had this, and I just like this. This movie is an awesome movie. It's kind of, creepy or whatever. So, I had to get it. Not sure how well it's going to play because, sometimes Dollar Tree DVDs aren't the greatest. But anyway, grabbed that. The next thing that I picked up is a book, and it's by Patricia Briggs, and it's Silence Has Fallen, a Mercy Thompson's novel. Now, I've read most of these books, and I love the Mercy Thompson series. I just love it. If you're into like supernatural things like werewolves, vampires, things like that, this is a series that you would probably like. So I went ahead and picked up this one. Now this one, it's Silence Has Fallen, but I don't think, I know in this series it's not the first one. It should tell you on here, yeah, when you open it up, it'll tell you the Mercy Thompson series, and Silence Has Fallen, it's showing as the last book in that series, at this time anyway, of whenever this was published. So anyway, and this is, a hardback book, and that is a really a good known, well-known author, Patricia Briggs. So if you're interested in supernatural type books and you like to read those, I suggest reading her Mercy Thompson series. It's really good. Okay, the next things that I found are so cute, and I know they had these last year in Dollar Tree because I seen some people hauling them, but my Dollar Tree never got them in. But this year they did, so I was happy to find these. These are so cute. I know I'm describing skeleton hands as cute, but they are. They're like ceramic skeleton hands that are candle holders, so they would hold like a votive candle in there. But I thought these were so cool. So I grabbed 2 of those, which these are awesome. All right. So the next thing that I picked up is not Halloween related, but I really liked it. I thought it was cute. It's just one of the kitchen towels that they had, and they only had one of these left. If they would have had more, I would have grabbed probably at least one more. But I didn't see anything like pot holders or anything like that in this pattern. So I don't know if they have some. I don't know. I'll have to keep my eye out. Maybe they do. But it just says Gourmet Essentials, 100% cotton. It says it's absorbent and durable. It's a kitchen towel. But this is really farmhousey looking. So I really do like it. And that's the label. I don't think I've ever seen this brand at Dollar Tree before. So anyway, and I think Walmart, I went to Walmart the other day and I seen something that they had similar to this. I think it was a placemat for a table that had pretty much the same exact pattern on it. So anyway, I thought that was a good find. The next thing that I found, guys, this is so cute. And I did see this being hauled. I can't remember whose haul I watched that they had this in, and when I seen it, I had to run to my nearest Dollar Tree to see if they had any, and the only one I could find was this one. But it's the new 2021 calendars, and the one that I'm wanting really, really, really bad, if I can find it, is it has a barn on the front of it, and I think it says Market something on it, but it's more of a farmhousey country type calendar. But this one is really cool too because it has some really nice pictures on there. Like if you didn't want to hang this up for a calendar, you could take these pictures and just frame them. But look at that pumpkin. That's really cool there. This one is really nice too. But anyway, that's why I got this, was probably not to hang as a calendar, you know, for the year, but to take some of these photos and frame them. So anyway, I'm really trying to keep an eye out for the one with the barn that is on the cover. So hopefully I can find that. The next thing that I found was really cute is this, it's like a calendar, I don't even know. It's like a desktop sort of calendar type thing, but it's a little house, and then it has the month in here, and you know, you can turn it around to whatever month you're on, and then these little blocks down here with the days. So I thought that was really neat. They did have several different others to choose from, but I really liked this little black and white house. I think it's really cute, so I went ahead and grabbed one of those. Let's see here. The next things that I found are Halloween related, and I think they had these last year too. At least I seen them being hauled, but they didn't have them at my Dollar Trees, but this year they do. They are these little, like the Decor mesh tubing with lights in it. So they're calling them LED mesh lights. And I just grabbed, all they had was purple and orange. So I grabbed 2 of the orange and then 2 of the purple. And I'm trying to see how big it is. It says for indoor use only, they're 3 feet. So, I mean, that's not too bad. 3 feet is a pretty good size for that. For $1, it's not bad. So I went ahead and grabbed 1 of each of those colors. The next thing that I found that's Halloween related. Now I know that I think they also had these last year, but my Dollar Trees are slow at getting anything. We're like a year behind everybody else. But they did have them this year. But they are these by Crafter Square. They're calling them Decor, but they're little witches brooms. And I don't know if y'all can see that. I grabbed 2 packs of them. I'm going to take one out and show you guys what it looks like up close because of all the glare that we've got here. But they did have them in different colors. These ones are the black ones. They had them in, I believe it was orange and purple, I think was the other colors. But I like the black ones. They just looked more realistic, I guess you'd say. But, I mean, all they are is like little twigs tied together. But they are really cute. So these would be cute for like just decor, just to decorate with, or if you are a wreath maker and you wanted to make like a witch kind of wreath. They're really cute. I'm not too sure if I like this bow up here. I might have to replace that. And it's tied on with like one of these silver twisty ties, which I don't know. I don't really like that either. But anyway, I thought these were really cute. And they do come with 3 in a pack. So I thought that was a really good find. I was excited to see those. Okay. Let's see. The next things that I found, I don't think they had these last year, but they may have. I could be wrong. But they are the Halloween picks by Crafter Square. And I grabbed, they had 2 different sizes. They had some larger sizes and then some smaller sizes. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the larger size. They're pumpkins. And then 1 pack of the smaller size. Now it says that they glow in the dark. So I don't know. I didn't get them because they glow in the dark. But I got them to maybe do a wreath with, a Halloween wreath. But the smaller ones has 5 in here. And let's see if I can show you a little better. They do have, they're not just plain pumpkins, they're like jack-o'-lanterns. They've got little Halloween faces on them. And I didn't really want to take it out of the package, but I'll show you right there. So these are the ones that are a little bit smaller. And then the larger ones, there's only 4 in here, but they're the same. They're just a little bit bigger, and they do have the little creepy faces on there, the jack-o'-lanterns. I thought these were really cute. They did have some that were bats, And that's all I could find, but I don't know if they possibly have ghost, which I think the ghost would be really cute. So I don't know. Going to be keeping my eye out and see if they do have ghost ones. But I went ahead and just grabbed the pumpkin ones. I found these, which I think they're really pretty, but I've never seen white sunflowers. They had some white sunflowers, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 bouquets of those. And I don't know, I think they were really pretty, and I've never seen a white sunflower before. I don't even know if white sunflowers really exist, but anyway, I went ahead and grabbed 2 bunches of those. I thought they were pretty. Let's see here. They had this, this is a name brand. It is a fingernail file, but it's by Diamond. Coarse and medium grit. It says wide board grinder. So I have seen these at Walmart, Target, places like that. So I know these are a name brand, and these are pretty good emery boards. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. Now the last 2 things that I found, these are new to my store. They are by Elf, and one is the powder brush and the other one is the small stipple brush. And they did have quite a few different ones, but these were the 2 that I just wanted. I wanted these, and I have one like this one already that I use. So I thought I'd get another one, and I didn't pay $1 for it. I think I bought it at Target, and I'm pretty sure it was $3 or maybe, yeah, I think it was $3. So anyway, I really like it. I like it to put my powder on with. So I grabbed that one, and then the small stipple brush, which they did have another stipple brush that I have already purchased before. It's a little smaller than this. It's a little tiny one. But anyway, I went ahead and grabbed those 2. I was pretty excited to find those. So anyway, that is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like Dollar Tree hauls, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I hope that you guys are having a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.